Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Go in freelance, building and branding your own success. Lecture 1. In today's lecture, we will learn about Introduction to Freelancing, understanding the freelance landscape and opportunities, advantages and challenges of freelancing, assessing readiness for freelancing, identifying freelance career options, exploring different industries and niches for freelancers. Introduction to Freelancing. Freelancing has become an increasingly popular way for people to work and earn a living. With the rise of technology and the gig economy, more and more individuals are choosing to freelance instead of working traditional jobs. At its core, freelancing involves working independently on a project-by-project basis for various clients or companies. This allows for greater flexibility in terms of work schedule and location, as well as the ability to choose which projects to work on. However, it also comes with its own set of challenges, such as managing finances and finding a steady stream of work. Understanding the freelance landscape and opportunities. The freelance industry has experienced rapid growth in recent years, fueled by advances in technology and changing attitudes towards work. According to recent studies, over 35% of the U.S. workforce currently engages in some form of freelance work, and this number is expected to rise in the coming years. One of the main advantages of freelancing is the flexibility it offers. Freelancers have the ability to choose their own projects and clients, set their own schedules, and work from anywhere in the world. Additionally, freelancers are often able to earn higher rates than traditional employees, as they are able to negotiate their own fees and do not have to share their earnings with an employer. However, freelancing also presents its own unique challenges. Freelancers must be self-motivated and disciplined in order to manage their own workload and meet deadlines. They must also be comfortable with the financial uncertainty that comes with working on a project-to-project basis. Despite these challenges, the freelance industry offers a wide range of opportunities for those who are willing to put in the effort. From writing and design to consulting and programming, there are countless niches within the freelance world that can provide fulfilling and lucrative careers. Advantages and challenges of freelancing. Freelancing offers many advantages, such as the ability to work from anywhere and the freedom to set your own schedule. For those who value autonomy and flexibility, freelancing can be an ideal career choice. However, it also comes with its challenges. One of the biggest concerns for freelancers is financial stability. Without a steady paycheck, it can be difficult to plan for the future and manage expenses. Additionally, freelancers must be self-motivated and disciplined in order to stay on track and meet project deadlines. Despite these challenges, many people find that the benefits of freelancing outweigh the drawbacks. For those who are able to manage their finances and stay motivated, freelancing can offer a fulfilling and rewarding career path. It allows individuals to pursue their passions and work on projects they are truly passionate about, while also providing the freedom to take time off when needed. Assessing readiness for freelancing. Before diving into the world of freelancing, it's important to assess your readiness for this type of work. Freelancing requires a unique set of skills, experience, and personal traits that not everyone possesses. However, with dedication and hard work, anyone can become a successful freelancer. One important skill for freelancing is self-discipline. As a freelancer, you won't have a boss or manager looking over your shoulder, so it's up to you to stay on track and meet deadlines. Additionally, strong communication skills are essential for working with clients and collaborating with other freelancers. Finally, time management skills are crucial for balancing multiple projects and meeting client expectations. Identifying freelance career options. Freelancing offers a wide range of career options for individuals with diverse talents and interests. Some popular freelance careers include writing, graphic design, web development, social media management, and consulting. Each of these careers requires unique skills and expertise, but they all share the common thread of offering the freedom and flexibility to work on your own terms. Writing is a great option for those who enjoy crafting compelling stories or creating engaging content across various mediums. Graphic designers use their creativity and technical skills to create visual solutions for clients. Web developers build and maintain websites, while social media managers help businesses grow their online presence. Consultants offer their expertise in areas such as business strategy, marketing, and finance to help clients achieve their goals. Exploring different industries and niches for freelancers. Freelancing offers an incredible opportunity to explore a wide range of industries and niches, from technology to healthcare to education. There are countless options available for those looking to take their skills into the freelance world. For example, in the tech industry, freelancers can work on everything from software development to web design to cybersecurity. In healthcare, freelancers can provide services such as medical writing, data analysis, and even telemedicine consultations. And in education, freelancers can offer tutoring, curriculum development, and online course creation. The possibilities truly are endless. And the best part is that as a freelancer, you have the flexibility to explore different industries and niches until you find the perfect fit. Conclusion: freelancing offers numerous advantages and opportunities for individuals seeking independence and flexibility in their careers. It provides a viable alternative to traditional employment, allowing professionals to work on their own terms and choose the projects they want to undertake. Freelancers have the freedom to set their own schedules, work from anywhere, and take on diverse assignments that match their skills and interests. Additionally, freelancing can lead to a higher earning potential, as individuals have the ability to negotiate their rates and take on multiple clients simultaneously. However, it is important for freelancers to manage their time effectively, build a strong network, and continuously upgrade their skills to thrive in this competitive field. With the right mindset and dedication, freelancing can be a fulfilling and lucrative career path for those willing to embrace the challenges and rewards it offers.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.